Welcome back to Price Action Trading series from Market Secrets. This is episode 27 of the series, and in this episode, we are going to see how to define and identify a bullish consolidation trend. Before we begin, I have an update for you. Price Action Trading series is one of the series that we are running. In addition to that, we have Algo Trading series, Trading Strategies, Investment Strategies, and Tax Saving series, and so many other series that are running in parallel. You can check out our website if you are interested in any of those learnings. In addition to that, we have multiple data feeds being provided as part of option analytics. All the details about it is available in our website, so do check it out. And with that note, let's jump into today's session. In the previous lessons, we have seen different types of trends and how to identify whether we are in an uptrend or a downtrend. Now we are moving to the next type of the trend, which is consolidation. There are two types of consolidation. There is bearish consolidation and there is bullish consolidation. There are times where price is not clearly moving in any particular direction. The stream has been lost and the price starts bouncing off opposing imbalances like the ball on a tennis court. This is where most traders get confused and lose money they potentially made in the trending markets. This is the time when the trader asks himself why his mechanical trend following system does not work anymore. This is also the time where the trader is at greater risk to lose confidence in himself and the methodology he is trading in. So it is very critical to understand the consolidation phase properly. In this video, we are going to see the rules to define and identify a bullish consolidation trend. So when it comes to the bullish consolidation, a bullish consolidation happens when price was in an uptrend and after that either an ascending uptrend line is broken by one full OHLC candle, that is nothing but one full candle, and it is fully under the trend line, or a valid demand zone irrespective of whether it was a CP or a valley. A valid demand zone under the price is broken, or when both of these scenarios happens. So in simple terms, price was earlier in an uptrend, but it has now broken the trend line or it has broken a demand zone. This indicates the price has lost its steam. So now the price is not in an uptrend anymore and it is now in bullish consolidation. So when any of these scenarios happens, you're not allowed to take any longs in the direction of the previous uptrend line until either of these two scenarios happens. Number one, the price makes a high that is higher than the previous high. This indicates the price has resumed an uptrend, so you will obviously see a new higher high and a new valley. Or otherwise, the price hits the demand zone of one higher time frame above it. This is also known as realignment, which will be taught in future lessons. An important note here, please do not stress out over the last point yet. You will learn this in the later sessions. For now, just learn and accept this rule until it becomes second nature to you. The last point is the concept of realignment and sequence mentioned earlier as well. So moving on to the possibilities, like I mentioned earlier, there are three possibilities, that is trend line break, a demand zone break, or both. So let's see the possibility one, which is trend line broke. If you look at this example, there is an ascending uptrend line here and it is now broken by one full candle. So this is the first full candle that has broken this particular trend line. So full candle in the sense, none of these parameters like high, open, low and close of this candle should be touching the trend line. So this is the candle which has broken the trend line and it is now fully under the trend line. So in this example, We were in an uptrend clearly with the new valleys being printed and with bullish impulses. See, there is a huge bullish move that is happening. So we were able to draw this trend line connecting the valleys and we were in an uptrend. But suddenly the price drops and breaks the trend line. So the price had dropped heavily and this candle had broken the trend line. The moment the trend line is broken, rule states that there is a bullish consolidation. So we are not in an uptrend anymore. We are in bullish consolidation trend. This marks the official end of the uptrend and official beginning of the bullish consolidation trend. So this is possibility number one. Likewise, there is possibility number two, which is demand zone break. The valid demand zone, irrespective of whether it was a CP or a valley based demand zone, if the price breaks underneath the demand zone, then we are in a bullish consolidation. So even if price breaks it by one tick, we are done. So in this example, clearly we were in an uptrend with new values being printed and a strong bullish moves which were creating new demand zones. There was one demand zone created here, there was another demand zone created here, and the price had been printing valleys and we were able to connect last two valleys and form a bullish trend line. But price started dropping suddenly and it breaks the trend line. So this candle here, it had broken the trend line. The moment the trend line is broken, rule states that there is bullish consolidation. So this marks the official end of the uptrend and official beginning of the bullish consolidation. So at this point, we are not in an uptrend anymore and we are in a bullish consolidation. The price breaks the demand zone as well after confirming the bullish consolidation. So when this bullish consolidation happens, we should stop taking any trades in the direction of the prior trend and wait for the next signal to be formed based on the two rules that we have seen earlier in this episode. So those two rules are, we should wait till price makes a higher high from here or the price hits the demand zone of one higher time frame above it. So until and unless that happens, we are not supposed to trade this. So to summarize, we can consider that the bullish consolidation has officially begun if the price was in a prior uptrend and if the trend line is broken or the demand zone is broken or when both of those happens. I hope now you are clear on how to confirm and identify whether we are in bullish consolidation trend now. We can see the bearish consolidation scenario in the next session. Meanwhile, you can take the charts and try to identify few bullish consolidation trends in your charts. And with that note, I'm closing today's session. Hit the like button if you have liked this video and share it with your friends if you find it useful. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video or conduct a live session. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.